Welcome. In this video I will show you how to uninstall applications on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, press the home button on your remote control to go to this page. Then press the right button to switch to apps. And then navigate down to the download app section. In this section, you'll find the applications that you have downloaded on your TV, and if you want to delete some of them or one of them, hold your central button on your pilot for a couple of seconds until you see these options. Now, here select Delete and press the central button to confirm. Then confirm by selecting Delete on the pop-up. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.